Welcome to the definitive guide on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the ultimate productivity and media powerhouse. The S26 Ultra features a refined design with a 7.9mm slim profile, an armor aluminum frame, and Corning Gorilla Armor 2 for enhanced durability. It's also IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. Experience the world's first built-in privacy display. Dynamic pixel technology limits peripheral vision, allowing you to hide your full screen from side views and selectively mask content for privacy. The S26 Ultra boasts visual fidelity via AI on its 17.49cm dynamic AMOLED 2X display, reaching 2600 nits peak brightness. The mobile digital natural image engine and AI ProScaler ensure QHD+ clarity. The Snapdragon Elite 8 Gen 5 for Galaxy is the engine of AI, delivering significant performance increases. Enjoy up to 39% better NPU performance, 24% better GPU graphics, and 19% improved CPU processing. Sustained performance in gaming are achieved through a horizontal vapor chamber design, offering 21% improved thermal efficiency and hardware-accelerated ray tracing for immersive graphics. Power through your day with the 5000 mAh battery, supporting up to 31 hours of video playback. Super Fast Charging 3.0 allows you to reach 75% charge in approximately 30 minutes. The S26 Ultra offers capacity for every ambition. Storage options include 1 TB with 16 GB of memory for the power user, and a daily driver option of 256 GB storage with 12 GB memory. Capture stunning photos with the brightest camera system in Galaxy history. It features a 200 megapixels wide camera, 50 megapixels ultra-wide, a 50 megapixels 5x optical zoom telephoto, and a 10 megapixels 3x optical zoom telephoto. Nightography is clearer and brighter with the S26 Ultra. The wide aperture is 47% brighter, the telephoto aperture is 37% brighter, and the ProVisual engine provides noise reduction. Achieve superior stabilization with super steady video and 360-degree horizontal lock. The 100x AI-powered space zoom lets you capture distant details with clarity. Galaxy AI acts as a proactive assistant, providing contextual shortcuts through Now Nudge, habit tracking and daily summaries with Now Brief, and natural language search via Finder. Unleash generative creativity with Photo Assist for natural language generative edits, Creative Studio for custom AI stickers, and AI ISP for real-time selfie optimization. Privacy is assured by default and protected by Knox. Features include on-device processing via Knox Vault, cross-device security with Knox Matrix, and tailored controls for cloud or on-device AI. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra boasts a stunning display, powerful processor, 200 megapixels main camera, a large 5000 mAh battery with fast charging, and a revolutionary built-in privacy display.